So I'm going to show you how to season this beautiful spatchcock bird. Now, a lot of you who follow my videos know that I love to use cures, a blend of salt, sugar, and other seasonings because it just adds so much more richness to the flavor. So I have a cool twist for you. First, I'm going to start with probably about a tablespoon of salt and probably a half tablespoon of sugar. I usually do, 1-to-1 equal amounts of salt and sugar, a few waves of the peppermint. And I'm going to use some everything bagel seasoning. I love the flavor of everything bagel. It's got, sesame, poppy, it's got garlic powder, it's got onion powder. So that's what I'm going to use to season these birds. Just kind of toss it around, make sure I have a good mix. So I'm going to organize the chicken on my roasting pan in the shape of a spatchcock. I'll start with seasoning the flesh side first. You're going to eat both sides, so you season both sides. And now we're going to roast this in a 425-degree oven for about 25 to 35 minutes. So this is looking really good. And here's a really awesome trick that a lot of folks don't know. I take a meat thermometer, an instant read thermometer, insert it in the thickest part of the breast. And if the breast is 150 degrees, it's done. I take it out. It's going to carry over cook, but this way it stays moist. And then I put the legs and thighs back in and let them cook usually an additional 20 minutes or so. So that's what we're going to do. So now I'm going to pull the legs and thighs out of the oven. And I'm going to save that pan dripping. I'm going to deglaze my stock and make a nice brown sauce. Screw everybody. I'm having the first bite.
Oh yeah. The first night she had a great time.